I am in the beautiful Banff, Alberta, and if you can believe it, 3,500 kilometers ago on the other side of the country, the three of us set off for an adventure of a lifetime. But before I get into that, I'm going to give you a moment to catch up on our Wild West adventure. Good morning. We are in White Lake Provincial Park, and today is the first day of our Cross Canada adventure. Technically, we actually left yesterday. All right. To avoid the washout between Sault Ste. Marie and Wawa, causing the Cross Canada to be completely shut down. So we had to do a completely different detour, but we ended up doing about a 7 and a bit hour drive yesterday to get to where we are now at White Lake Provincial Park. So the plan today is we're gonna pack up. We are going to do the remaining 4.5 hour drive towards Thunder Bay, and we're gonna go celebrate Matt's champagne birthday. We're gonna have a little bit of fun, and I will fill you all in on why we were doing this in a little bit. We made it out of the campground, well, campsite. It was a good night.
Just a little down sloppy.
I'm just kind of leany. We need to practice our camp leveling skills. It's this guy's birthday. Yay! Yay! So we are going to finish pumping out the trailer, and then we are going to push the rest of the way to Quequebeca Provincial Park. The dreaded pump out line.
Oh, she gets even more steep.
So what exactly are we doing out here? Well, we set off to drive across the country so that we could take part in the Canadian Death Race, 120 kilometers of trails through the Rocky Mountains of Grande Cache, Alberta, and 5,000 meters of elevation. So we left our home in Sudbury, Ontario, and we set off to drive across Ontario, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, come into Alberta, and do all the touristy things, getting acclimatized to the elevation, getting some runs in, but also taking in all that our beautiful country has to offer. But there's still so much on our agenda to do before we have to worry about tackling, again, one of the hardest races we have ever attempted to do. So I hope you stick around to see what we get up to next.
Morning. Today's plan is to get from Quequebeca to Cache, Manitou, Spruce Woods Provincial Park.
Well, we are wheels up, and we left Quequebeca Provincial Park after a quick refuel in the town of Quequebeca, and now we are Manitoba bound. The morning was really good. Made breakfast, coffee, divided and conquered with all the trailer takedown. Pump out.
We're getting pretty efficient between the three of us, hooking up setting up.
I think everyone's settling into the groove of travel now for day 3. So I think the main stop for today on Prairie Drive is the Center of Canada sign. Gas stations as they come up, and we should be in Cache, Manitou at the Spruce Woods Provincial Park sometime by dinner.
So little update. Drive's been going good, but we've hit some bad weather.
We are in Ignace, Ontario. We kind of got pushed off the road because of a storm, so we figured we'd take advantage of the break and fill up on gas, maybe get some food, have a bathroom break, because even if we wanted to push forward right now, the highway just past Kenora is closed because there was a fatality, so that's got everything shut down, and then the highway at Dryden is shut down because there's debris on the road. So it's kind of just an impromptu little break. Get into the trailer here, clean some things up, like I said, get some food, go to the washroom. It's been fun, just a lot of highway road updates and, you know, car sing-alongs and all the good chats that come with road trips. Well, take a little bit longer at this break and then go from there. We are just outside of Winnipeg, I guess by a little bit, but we are at the Center of Canada, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
I never thought we were going to get outside of Ontario, let alone to the Center of Canada.
Really standing right in the middle. Well, I guess like once we're on that sign, but like.
So we're gonna take a pit stop at the Center of Canada and take a really cool picture and a video right now. And then after that, we are going to look at maybe changing our game plan from staying here in Manitoba. I think collectively the group is wanting to do a longer drive today so that we can get into Dinosaur Provincial Park in Alberta early tomorrow with only like a 5-hour drive instead of another 10-hour drive. So we're gonna see. Stay tuned.
Good morning from Dinosaur Provincial Park. It's safe to say that everyone is well into the routine of camper travel and cross Canada at this point.
I've got breakfast.
Marissa's been doing breakfasts and the dinners every day. Matt and I have been taking care of setting up and take down camp. It's going really well. And today is actually, I think, the first day that we're all waking up and it's not a rush to get anywhere. Today, we actually get to do our first, like, touristy stuff. We're going to the Hoodoos. It's nice out. And then we're going to go into Drumheller and we're actually going to get to go check out the Royal Trail Museum. Go look at some dinosaur bones. Take a little lunch break in Drumheller, and then we actually come into Banff tonight, which is, I think, the highlight that we're all looking forward to the most. So
This is open.
we have been chasing mountains this entire time, and by tonight we will be camping in them.
We We got out just in the nick of time. It started raining just as we left Dinosaur Provincial Park. And then just as we got on the scenic route to the Royal Trail Museum, it stopped raining. So it kind of working out for us here. Overall, really enjoyed the Dinosaur Provincial Park. It had really great sights, great amenities, the views were outstanding. A little buggy, and
Yeah, we're covered.
A lot buggy.
and don't expect much privacy. The sites are kind of stacked on top of each other, and obviously because it's the Badlands, there's no shrubbage or trees or anything, so. But other than that, I really liked it. It's up there on probably my favorite stop of the trip so far. And now we just gotta do, it's about an hour, yeah, it's about an hour to the Royal Trail Museum. So let's go see some dinosaurs.
Yeah. Oh look.